Guys, well, this is Palak Purswani and welcome back to my channel. Well guys, thank you so much for all the love for all the videos. I feel so motivated after reading all your comments and the love you guys send me. It actually motivates me to do better and make more content for you all. So thank you so much for all the love you guys have been sending across. Well, आज का video तो आप title से जान ही गए होंगे. It's just about bag. Today's video is not about what's in my bag segment. वो तो हो गया है, आप लोगों ने बहुत सारा प्यार भी दिया उस वीडियो पे. अगर नहीं देखा तो आप प्लीज जाकर देखिए और बताइए आपको वो वीडियो भी कैसा लगा. But today's video is about my bag collection. No guys, I am not trying to show off or anything. Let me just clarify that first. But just that I love bags, and you know, I just thought that I'm gonna share all these things with y'all. What are the collection that I have so far, and यार हर लड़की को बैग कलेक्ट करना पसंद है, you know, with different outfits. Sometimes we go ahead with basic colors, sometimes you want to add like a pop to your outfit. So I am somebody who's completely sucker for bags. A lot of bags, you know. Sometimes I steal some from my mother also, the ones that I like from her wardrobe. I usually do that, but yeah. So let's get started. To start with my handbag collection, I love carrying handbags. So and you will find black color like the most common color in my wardrobe. So to start with, this one is my personal favorite from Aldo. I just bought this like last week, and you know, the texture is so amazing. It is so classy, and I bought this in 50% off in 4,999. The actual price was around 8,000. As you guys can see, it is black matte finish, and the best part about this bag is कि ये सारे outfits के साथ जाता है. It has a small chain, so and also it has a long belt with it, so you can even carry it like a sling. मैंने actually इसकी अंदर की stuffing तक अब तक नहीं निकाली है because it's brand new. I think I have done the right job in investing in this bag, since you know the space is so much inside. It has two sections. It has a zip inside, and it is very spacious. Also, we have a small section outside where you can keep your phone or like a small mini wallet. So I personally love this bag because this is very classy. So whenever you want to carry with any of the outfits, it's just good to go. So this one is from Aldo. The second favorite bag that I have is this bag from Charles & Keith. Well, this one is my personal favorite because this has a velvet texture, as you guys can see, and like this has a small chain. But one thing I'm gonna say is that I have hardly used this bag क्योंकि इसका जो स्पेस है वो बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. इसमें आई थिंक आपका एक फ़ोन और एक वॉलेट ही आएगा, since it's very thin, and I invested almost 12 grand in this bag. So yes, I sort of regret buying this because मैंने इस बैग को hardly use किया है, और स्पेशली इसका जो कलर है ये बहुत ही कम आउटफिट्स के साथ जाता है. It's not something basic. I think I've just used it thrice, but I just bought this because of the color and the texture. This one is from Charles & Keith. So yeah, my third bag is from Aldo again. I think I have this thing for Aldo bags. I don't know, I just completely love them. So this is a handbag from Aldo. I love the color. It's beige and it is so basic. You know, it goes with western wear as well as Indian wear whenever you want to carry. This bag is really spacious. It has like two sections. Also, it has a belt with it. This is also like brand new, so I've not used it as yet. And I love the fact that it has this golden chain. It looks very classy. This bag I had bought it around 6,900, but I think this is a basic bag one should have. I think tan, brown and black, two handbags is something basic that one should have in their wardrobe. Okay, this bag is love for me. So this black bag is from Michael Kors, and I had got this bag from Azerbaijan. So I personally love this bag. I know it's basic black, but the best part about this bag is the storage. I mean, it is so huge, guys. Just check this out. Like, मुझे कुछ भी dump करना है, I just simply dump all my things in this and I'm good to go. So this is basically my travel bag whenever I'm traveling out and I need to dump my makeup, you know, my necessities and all of that. So I usually carry this, and I love the texture of this bag. It's just my favorite. So This is one of my favorite bags from Michael Kors. Tan-ta-da! I hope you guys remember this bag because ये bag के साथ मैंने What's in your bag segment बनाया था when I was traveling. Well, this is such a cute bag. This one is from Zara. It's a backpack, and you know it is very comfortable to carry, especially whenever you're traveling. You just put it on your back and you're just set to go. It is very spacious from the inside, but it looks very compact bahar se, but it's quite spacious. This was from Azerbaijan Zara. So yeah, I know I have like a lot of black bags, but this is really cute. I personally love this bag. Now moving on to another black bag again, but this is in a form of a pouch. This one is from Michael Kors, and I usually carry this, you know, it's very trendy. So whenever I'm carrying like wearing a crop top or like a denim or something, so this is how I usually carry this. It looks very trendy. It is pouch, and I know it's not that spacious, but you know, जब आपको कहीं बाहर जाना, you don't really want to carry a lot of things. It has 2 zippers here, so you can usually carry your cash, a phone, and some cards if you want. So it has 2 sections in it, and this is how it looks like. But I personally love the quality. This one is from Michael Kors, so I love this. It's really nice. This one is from Coach. I know this is a little brand new, that's why the packaging is still not come out, because I just bought this a week ago and I have not used this, and this is like my current favorite. Obviously, one reason being it's new, and secondly, I love the, you know, the style of this bag. It is so classy, and this has a lot of space too inside. Like I've just not removed the, you know, the dumping packets also inside. Guys, this is really spacious, and I personally love the texture. The leather is just fab. This one is from Coach, and that's my current favorite. Okay, this one is a designer bag, but I had got this from Lokhandwala. Believe you me, I was just passing Lokhandwala market and I saw this store. I don't know if I can remember the name of the store. I don't know. Actually, it's not. I still have my stuff in this. But this one was from Lokhandwala market, and I love the color of this bag. I know, I think it was the in-house brand, the designer bag. So this is what, this one I bought it around 3,900, and I just could not get my eyes off this bag because of the color and the texture, and it is very spacious. So I personally love this color, so I got my hands on this. So moving on to my clutches collection. Well, this one is my personal favorite. This one is from Esbeda. I got this in sale of 1299, 1300, and the best part being it has this chain, you know, so you can carry with any party dress or an Indian wear, and the best part, it has this marble finish. It's quite heavy in weight as well, but this I love. It is again from Esbeda, but it's black in color. You know, anything that has gold I personally love. So this one is from Esbeda. It has this gold finish, so whenever I'm wearing some rose gold jewelry and a black dress, so this is a bag that I personally love carrying. Again, this has one more chain, good to carry. What I have is this white clutch. So, well, this one is from Sondra Roberts, some brand, Sondra Roberts. This one actually I stole from my mother because I love the white. I love the color. It is a bit in shimmer too, so I personally love this. Well, this is an Indian clutch. It's golden color. I love the texture, and the best part is how it opens. It's like this. So, ta-da! This one usually I carry it with my Indian wears and something, you know, Indo-Western or Indian, and whenever I go for these weddings or something like that, so this is the clutch that I usually carry. This one is again I stole from my mother. I personally love this since it has a ring, so you usually carry it like this, which is quite stylish. It has these you know, diamonds, and this side is plain, so you can carry whichever side you like. And I personally love this part. It has a ring finger, so you usually carry it like this. So yes, this one is also from my mom's collection, but I just stole it. Small cute potli whenever I, you know, wear lehengas or probably anarkalis. So I usually like to carry this potli with me. It's again an Indian wear clutch. So I usually carry this whenever I go to any wedding parties or whenever I'm wearing Indian wear or kurtas. This is a must potli that I carry. You call it potli only, right? I don't know. Indian wear clutch that I have, it is pastel peach color, and the best part is the storage. It is big. It is too huge as a clutch. Baki clutches mein zyada kuch saman nahi aata hai, but this clutch, wow, babe, you really have a lot of storage in this. Now moving on to slings. Slings, okay guys, I personally don't like slings. Okay, don't get shocked, me being a girl, I don't like slings. Yes, I don't like slings. I am a handbag and a tote person, so yeah, you'll hardly find any slings. So this one is from Shein. I know you can call it a dupe of Chanel, but no, it's not Chanel. This one was from Shein, 850 bucks. I love the texture and the color of this bag, that's why I just bought it. And I usually carry this with my dresses and parties. It looks really smart, you know. The finish is so good. I was totally sold when I saw this bag in Shein. And it was so reasonable and affordable, so I just bought it. It's from Lokhandwala Market. This was around 500? Not kidding. But I've never used this, so I think I really need to use this again. So this is a chain bag. I love the way it opens. So it's like this, and it has a zip. Good storage, not bad, but I'm not a very sling person. So cute. This one is from Miniso, and it's really small yet it's cute. So I usually love to carry this, and the best part is this has a very cute belt with it. You know, so you just put it in, and you're good to go. Last but not the least, this one is my tote bag, which is a customized bag. As you guys can see, it's Palak written on it. This one is from Oceana Clutches. My very good friend Reema, you know, she customized this bag for me. If you guys want to check them out, they're there on Instagram. Also guys, this has a lot of space. Like, check this out. Like, एक बंदा इसमें बैठ सकता है यार, इतना बड़ा बैग है ये. मतलब it is so huge. Whenever I go and travel and I have a lot of things, again this is my another travel bag, and I love the, you know, the texture. It is so nice. It's not like it's leather and it's gonna chip or something. It's cloth and it's jute. So that's what I love. It makes it so classy and chic at the same time. So this one is from Oceana Bags. So guys, this is it. This was my bags collection. I hope you guys like it, and I'm gonna try and tag all the brands in the comment box below if you guys want to just check them out. So guys, this was it. This was my bag collection. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it was a little too long, but yeah, this was almost 75% of my collection. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned guys, because if you guys are sticking around and you guys are leaving such nice comments and motivating me, I love to make more videos just for you all. So thank you so much guys. You guys are amazing. Lots and lots of love to you. Till then, stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video. Also, you guys can follow me on Instagram. That's my Instagram ID. See you all. Lots of love. Bye.